My name is Janet, and I'm 75 years old. I came to the Milford Vascular Institute when I was 58 years old and diagnosed with peripheral artery disease. So if you do the math, you'll see that Drs. Esposito, Davis, and I are in what is referred to as a long-term relationship. I'm convinced that because of their skill, their caring, and their sincere caring for my well-being, that I am living a full and happy life in spite of my disease. So when I first came, I was having leg pain when walking. I could not walk very far without having my calf start to cramp up, and then the cramp would be so bad that I actually couldn't move my leg. So we did some different procedures and different surgeries, and my leg has been much better. After several surgeries, we timed it so that I was able to travel afterwards, and I went on a couple of trips to Europe, thanks to Dr. Esposito, which I never could have done before that. So I was able to sightsee without pain. We went on a couple of river cruises, and I had the time of my life. Yeah. When I first arrived here, when I was 58, as I said, and now I'm 75, Dr. Esposito and I were one-on-one, basically. He was just starting his practice. I was brand new with this disease, so we went through this together. And I trusted him from the moment I met him. We hit it off. There's something about having a doctor that you know is skillful, but that you also know cares about you physically, mentally, and just makes you feel like you're the most important thing that he has going in his life right now. And he did that for me every time. Dr. Esposito is a skilled surgeon, and he has a wonderful sense of humor. And there's been more than one time that figuratively and literally he's left me in stitches. There's nothing more reassuring than to be in the recovery room and have Dr. Esposito walk towards you grinning, not smiling, but grinning, because he is so happy with the way your surgery turned out. Without a word being spoken, I knew that I was going to be okay. When I would come in after following surgeries, everybody knew my name, everybody knew what I'd been through, everybody was concerned about how I was feeling. Again, it was a feeling of being home, being with family, always being with family. If I met someone who was telling me the symptoms like I had, I would tell them to run here, not to walk here, to run here if they were capable of it. We are so lucky to have Dr. Esposito here in Milford. We talk about the Mayo Clinic, we could talk about all these other places, but we have one of the best here in Milford, and we should all take advantage of that, definitely.
If you have leg pain while walking that's relieved with rest, you may be suffering from peripheral arterial disease, also known as PAD. At Milford Vascular Institute, our highly skilled vascular specialists can diagnose and treat PAD using the most advanced, minimally invasive methods available anywhere. To schedule a consultation with one of our vascular specialists to discuss your symptoms, give us a call today at 203-418-7386, and it will be our pleasure to care for you.